If you build with the Power Platform or AI agents, listen up, because the biggest Power Platform and Agent Maker event of the year is coming up, and I have a code that saves you $150 right off the top. I am super excited to be speaking again at the Power Platform Community Conference, and if you know me, you know I love in-person conferences, and the Power Platform Community Conference, or PPCC, is one of my favorites. It's back this year at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas from October 27 to 29. What I love the most about this conference is the access that you get to Microsoft. We always have over 250 engineers and product team members there. Everything from the people developing the product to leaders building Copilot Studio and the entire Power Platform products, all having real casual hallways conversations with the community. I have a picture from a past PPCC where I'm just hanging out with Charles Lamanna, and that pretty much sums up the vibe. This year's agenda is of course built around AI and agents, but it also has the stuff you're dealing with today, including governance and enterprise scale and end-to-end Power Platform solutions. So whatever you're building, you'll walk away with real implementations that you can use right away. Now, this conference is also famous for its attendee experience. Last year, they brought a full F1 car to the conference floor for a pit stop challenge, and of course I had to try it. And it's the kind of thing that you don't get at most conferences. The parties are legendary too. We've had past performances from Christina Aguilera, Carly Rae Jepsen, and this year we have Mr. Worldwide himself. We have Pitbull coming for a live show for all conference attendees. Now, in addition to attending sessions, I am also running a full day post-conference workshop on Friday, October 30th, called Automating Business Processes with Cloud Flows and AI. And I know everybody talks about AI those days, but even in this era, knowing how to automate your business processes is more important than ever. We'll start with the fundamentals of Cloud Flows, then layer in Microsoft Copilot, AI Builder, and Agent Flows to build modern AI-powered automation together. By the end of the day, you'll have the practical hands-on skills to put it all back to work at the office on Monday. So if you haven't registered yet, head over to the link in the description and you can use the code VLAD150 to save $150 off your registration. It works on the conference pass, the workshop bundles, and even the workshop-only ticket. Just keep in mind that pricing tiers go up as we get closer to October, so the earlier you book, the more you save on top of my discount. I hope I'll see you in Las Vegas.